In this video, we will review and see how to use Duck.ai. So as you can see right here, Duck.ai is a chatbot that you can use for this. So as you can see right here, it has a built-in privacy and multimodal access position. Duck.ai is a quiet outlier in the AI race. It has pre-access to GPT-5 Mini, Claude 3.5 Haiku, and other models, making it accessible without a login. So it's a search engine quietly built as a chatbot. You can try Doc AI by clicking on this link or just typing doc.ai on your website browser. Now, once you're in there, you can see the chat option from the search results. So you can see here all of the models available. It has the best known large language models, and each of these options brings something slightly different. So it has a different approach to privacy because it has its built reputation resisting surveillance. Its history are stored locally and chat are automatically cleared after 30 entries or by using the fire button. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.